The combination of religion, governance, economy is dangerous. And you have to be very, very careful about that. The last point, now this is a long sentence, we'll try and understand it because my whole talk is based on this. Yeah. In the course of writing this book, this is Professor Dwara quoting, yeah, I begin to wonder if the thorny task of mediating the sacred with reason, the sacred with reason could be eased if we can recognize that the gap between the ideal world, the project to achieve the ideal world, the project, and the efforts that are required to bring the two together, and its realization may be occupied not principally by faith or belief, but by hope. So the end result is hope. Somehow create hope. In the 19th and 20th century, economy and governance created hope. Have we reached the end of that is the question. Yeah? So that's what I'm saying. Now, how do management consultants bring hope in? Is the question. Without using the tricks of economy and governance. Yeah? Not easy. Yeah. I'm not a management consultant at all. I just manage people and projects. Yeah? And I know hope plays a big role when I'm talking to people, when I'm doing projects. But mainly in today's world, the only thing that I use to drive everything is economy and governance. Because I put milestones, I give salaries, I don't create hope in any other way. And I think there's a problem there. Yeah, this is me personally, Ashwini. So next slide. So in this, the talk that I'm talking about is that what do we mean by competing in globally networked environments, some factors that can help in a summary, that's the talk. And you made the job easy for me because your sessions is what needs to be done. Innovation and intrapreneurship, leadership in succession, skill development and tools for sustainability. And let me talk through each one of them. Yeah. So this is what has happened, right? What does it mean by competing in globally networked environment? Remember, I started with hope. So I gave you hope that I will talk about hope. Yeah? But these slides were made before yesterday. Hope only came yesterday. All the things that you hear will be back to economy and governance. That's the problem. Because economy and governance is easy. So I give you some economy and governance things. Yeah? What is the old environment? Economic stability is what we aimed for. Now I think we should live with economic volatility. Yeah? Mathematicians and statisticians have fantastic ways of dealing with volatility. We should use that. There's science behind it. It can be used. No need to worry about stability. Play the game of volatility. Focus on key markets in the world. No, don't focus on key markets. Focus on everything. Every part of the world is now accessible to us. Novartis never used to submit an application for an approval to Japan till it got approval in US. In today's world, the first approval that Novartis looks for any new drug is anywhere in the world. Yemen, yes. If it can be done before US, fine, do it. If it can get approval in South Korea, so be it. If we are lucky to get it in Japan before US, even better. So the world has changed. Now we don't have focus teams sitting in US, but we have focus teams sitting in everywhere in the world.